Welcome dear student. I hope previous session is clear to you. Today we are going to learn types of bill of exchange. Last time we have seen the example of two persons, Mr. A and Mr. B. Mr. A is a seller and Mr. B is a buyer. The seller is nothing but a drawer and buyer is nothing but a drawee. Drawer draws a bill on drawee and drawee has to make the payment in future, which we have seen in last session. Types of bill of exchange. First point, inland bill of exchange. In inland bill of exchange, two parties to the bill, that is drawer and drawee, are from the same country. That is, drawer is from India as well as the drawee is also from India. That means both drawer and drawee are from the same country, that is India. Therefore, the bill which is drawn by the drawer on drawee is known as inland bill of exchange. Second point, foreign bill of exchange. In foreign bill of exchange, both the parties, that is drawer and drawee. Now here in this example, suppose drawer is from India and drawee is from Australia. That is, both the parties are from different countries. Drawer from India and drawee from Australia. Drawer from India draws a bill on drawee from Australia. Then this bill is known as foreign bill of exchange. Means inland bill of exchange means same country. Both the drawer drawee are from the same country. And foreign bill of exchange means both the drawer and drawee from the different country. Ahead, third point, bills in sets. Foreign bill is usually drawn in sets. In set of 2, 3 or 4. In order to avoid the delay and lost in transit. Bills in set always drawn in parts, and each part should be numbered and it should contain the information that is reference to the previous part. Now what is the advantage of bill in sets? First, to facilitate the prompt and easy presentment for acceptance and payment. And secondly, to reduce the risk of loss in transit. Next type is clean bill of exchange. The name itself indicates here no documents are attached to bill of exchange. For example, in home trade, railway receipt is attached, and in foreign trade, bill of lading is attached. But over here, clean bill of exchange doesn't contain any document. Therefore, it is known as clean bill of exchange. Moving ahead, the next point is documentary bill of exchange, which is opposite to clean bill of exchange. Over here, the documents are attached to the bill. For example, in internal trade, railway receipt is attached, and in case of the foreign trade, bill of lading or the marine insurance document are attached to the bill of exchange, then it is known as documentary bill of exchange. Next point, at side bill of exchange. Here, credit period of the bill is not mentioned. Therefore, it is known as at side bill of exchange. That means wherever we are drawing any bill, we are mentioning the period, that is 30 days after, 3 months after, 90 days after. But over here, the credit period is not mentioned. Whenever the drawer wants the money from drawee, he can demand that money from the drawee. Therefore, it is known as at side bill of exchange. Moving ahead, the next point is usance bill of exchange. Here, in case of usance bill of exchange, which is expressed to be payable at a specified future date, means here credit or the specific term is mentioned. For example, Mr. A is a drawer and Mr. B is a drawee. Drawee has told to the Mr. A that after 3 months he will make payment of rupees 10,000. That means that 3 months is the credit period, is the term period. That's why it is known as usance bill of exchange. I hope the topic is clear to you. A small assignment for you. Explain different types of bill of exchange. This question always comes for 10 marks in board exam. Now topics for project. Already 3 topics are given by Banking to Madam, and this is the 4th and 5th topic. Country and currency, and 5th is bill of exchange. In this you have to write meaning, definition, parties and types of bill of exchange. Now project book for banking 1 and banking 2 is common for both. You have to write all these topics in a common project book. Thank you.